everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change address on FedEx package. To change the address on a FedEx package, you'll need to contact FedEx directly as soon as possible. So there are a few ways you can do so. You can contact FedEx via online, by phone call, or through the FedEx Delivery Manager. To contact FedEx online, the first thing to do is to open a web browser and then type in fedex.com in the search box and search. Also make sure that you are inside the main homepage of FedEx and log into your account. Now from the main homepage, navigate to the tracking option at the top of the screen and then type in your tracking number or your tracking ID on the text box. Once you do that, click on track and it'll display you the package you want to change the address for. There should be an option to modify the delivery address or reroute the package. Simply go ahead and change your address before the package gets delivered. Another way you can change your address on FedEx package is by making a phone call to FedEx customer service. Scroll all the way down from the main homepage and click on Contact Us. Under Contact Us tab, select your location and you will be presented with list of phone numbers. And from there you can select a phone number and make a call on the particular phone number and request them to change your delivery address. They will guide you through the process and may require additional information for verification purpose, so make sure to have them in handy as well. So that is how you can easily change your address on FedEx package delivery. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.